Japan's Kyoto News Agency has reported that the US, Philippines and Japanese navies have conducted a joint drill in South China Sea. The Philippine military said this was the first time the three countries conducted a joint drill. US Marines, Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force and Filipino ships participated in the two-day drill. The training included navigation exercises under special conditions and expertise exchange. When in April this year, the US signaled its intent to play a major role in the Asia-Pacific region with the signing of the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement with the Philippines.